Hey, I'm Amber from Karolina Koaches. Whenever you purchase one of our new RVs, you will get one of our starter buckets. Inside our starter bucket, you're going to have your electrical adapter. This is to be used specifically when you're getting ready to go camping. You can run your lights, however you cannot run your AC. This is just to kind of prepare you for when you're hooked up at home. It's also going to include your water pressure regulator. With your water pressure regulator, you'll use this when you go to campgrounds like in Georgia, where they don't have these, to make sure you don't have too much pressure coming out. Also, you have your drop-ins. The drop-ins are to be used before you go camping. Put this in, and then after you went camping, put it in to deodorize. Also, it includes your wash and wax to clean your camper, your drinking water hose, and also your RV toilet paper. Now you want to make sure that you use RV toilet paper, due to if you don't, it'll end up clogging up your sensors. You want to make sure you have your sewer hose also to make sure you can hook up properly at the campgrounds. And again, I'm Amber from Karolina Koaches. Come spend some time with us so you can spend more quality time with your family.